Hey, this is Don at DWM Grows. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to learn a little more about organic gardening. Let's find out what today's tips are. Sometimes I think we water too much or too little. So I'm going to give you a little lesson on watering. So first thing you need to do, and you have to make this a habit, every day come out to your garden or to your potted plant. Two rules. Potted plants, stick your finger in about an inch, which is usually a little past your first knuckle, like right there. If your finger comes out dry, your plant needs water. In your garden, stick your finger down in the dirt, about that far. If the tip of your finger is moist, don't water. If it comes out dry like that potted plant, then you can water. Water early in the morning, or as the sun is just starting to fade out of the sky, usually about 4 or 5 o'clock. Don't want to water past 6, because then the moist leaves can tend to leave a perfect home for pests and mildew and other things you don't want in your garden. So again, very simple. Every day, stick your finger in the dirt. See how it feels. I felt a little moisture in this one. I don't need to water them. But you can see that they're starting to wilt a little bit. So I'm probably going to water these tomorrow unless there's rain in the forecast. It's okay for your plants to wilt. Don't think it's going to cause them harm. It's going to make them a stronger plant. The reason for this is because the water was about 3-4 inches down in that dirt. So the roots are going to want that water and they're going to grow deep. When the root system grows deep and expands, the plant gets healthy. So again, overwatering's a problem, underwatering's a problem. On a daily basis, put your finger in the soil, check every day without fail. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Tune in next time for more organic gardening tips. In the meanwhile, if you have any questions, please check out my webpage, dwmgrows.com. Thank you again.